What did you mean by information integration problems?
You said Protos Haste has no memories from before a certain point in time, correct?
When we first met her, Sophie had lost her memories. That was about 7 years ago.
I don't know what transpired before that point, but the missing parts surely include memories of how Protos Haste came to Efinia.
Do you think you'll be able to recover them?
I will not actually be restoring memories, but I will assist Protos Haste in recalling the reason it was sent to Efinia.
The reason she came to our world.